it's incredible what you're doing. And I look at this state has been an auto state for years with evolving technology, and what I'm seeing you're doing with electric vehicles that will ultimately be part of CODA buses, that will ultimately be part of driving up and down High Street, not to mention the salt flats in Utah, that will all be about aerospace and what you're doing there in this state and is always excelled in all of that. Electric-related engineering field, is that something you kind of...
You're seeing the future of transportation, and your work has helped shape it, along with all these fantastic students, our faculty, and our staff. Not only is this $26.5 million investment in the future of low-emission or no-emission transportation important to us, it's everything you do to support Ohio and to support the higher education universities. It's so important to our future. So I just want to thank you. Kristina Johnson.
At the heart of the day-to-day activities that this funding enables are the Buckeyes, students, faculty, researchers, who are pivotal to this tool chain. This funding will enable setting up industry-leading research labs and facilities, and enable opportunities for students to carry out applied research, leveraging knowledge and problem-solving skills that we get from the rich curriculum here at Ohio State, and collaborating with adept faculty, researchers, in collaboration with industry partners and different research labs and other organizations to create innovative, novel, and impactful solutions to solve challenging and real-world problems.
And I take much of my direction from what I see at CODA and what I see at Ohio State in making a huge difference in moving this country forward. So you have played already such an important role.
And this funding will enable more students to hopefully have similar experiences as I have and even exceed those. And I think I speak for all when we say we can't wait to get our hands dirty and play around with all of this stuff and have an integral part in carrying out impactful and groundbreaking research.
So the big thing here is our students are actually able to apply what they learn in the classroom through design and then actual manufacturing of the car.
What's also really exciting is the way that you bring up the next generation. So you've got outreach programs K through 12, and that gets these kids excited that if they get a little bit of confidence, that they can be an engineer, that they can be in this industry. We need that next generation in order to be dedicated and to do the kind of work that's going to get us to a clean energy future.
The battery needs to be in this specific material for avoid.
And we plan to invest these funds well. So thank you, Senator, for being here.